Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful for all you PowerPoint pros out there. How to edit background graphics in PowerPoint 2025. Whether you're creating a presentation for work, school, or even a fun project, customizing backgrounds can make your slides look polished and professional. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up PowerPoint 2025 and select the slide you want to edit. You'll notice the familiar interface, but with some sleek updates for better usability. To access the background options, head to the Design tab at the top of the screen. It's right there in the ribbon, making it easy to find. Once you're in the Design tab, click on Format Background. This will open a sidebar where you can explore all the exciting possibilities. Now, for editing graphics, look for the Fill section. You can choose from solid colors, gradients, or even pictures and textures. If you want to add or modify graphics, select Picture or Texture Fill, and then click Insert to upload your own image or choose from the built-in options. Editing gets even more fun here. After selecting your graphic, you can adjust its transparency, tile it across the slide, or apply effects like blur or color overlays. PowerPoint 2025 has added some cool AI-powered tools, so if you hover over the graphic, you might see suggestions for enhancements, like auto-color matching to your theme. Don't forget to preview your changes in real time to ensure everything looks just right. Once you're happy with your edits, hit Apply to All if you want this background on every slide, or just Close to apply it to the current one. Save your presentation, and you're all set. One quick tip. Always keep a backup of your original file in case you need to revert changes. There you have it. Editing background graphics in PowerPoint 2025 is straightforward and creative. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. What's your favorite PowerPoint hack? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.